guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Liz. Today I wanted to share with you a smoky but natural casual look. I really hope you like it. I'm using the Morphe 35R palette and I had a lot of fun with this. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. This is my first time filming with this camera, so hopefully the quality is better, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. I put on my foundation and concealer off camera so we could start with eyeshadow. Here's what the Morphe 35R palette looks like. It's got a mixture of matte brown shades and some shimmers as well. I'm picking up a big blending brush. This one is from Morphe, it's the JH32, and I'm going in with this soft brown transition shade. I'm going to be pointing to the shades in the palette as I go through the video because on this palette they do not have any names. I'm going to blend this all over the crease of my eye and work it upward as there is less product on the brush. Now I'm going in with the shade next to that one. This one has a little bit more orange and yellow, and I'm going to put that on the crease of the eye. After most of the product has been applied, I'll use my brush and make sure that there's no harsh lines between where I put the eyeshadow down and under the brow bone. Now I'm picking up a more precise blending brush. This one is the JH33 from Morphe, and I'm going to pack on a more precise red-brown shade onto the outer crease of the eye. I will slowly work that in as well. This palette gives you so many different options of what kind of brown smoky eye you want to go for, so I decided on this shade because it had more of a purple undertone, and then I began to pack that on the outer crease of the eye. Now I'm picking up my big fluffy blending brush again, and I'm going to make sure there's still no harsh lines between where I put the shadow down and under my brow bone. Now I'm going in with a flat shader brush. This one is from Morphe, it's the JH41. I'm going to spray that with setting mist. This is to make this eyeshadow look more metallic. I also find that with shimmery shades, if you use a setting mist, you're less likely to get fallout. If you don't know what eyeshadow fallout is, it's basically when you apply an eyeshadow and part of it falls onto your face. So if I'm using this shimmery shade, it could potentially fall onto my face and then ruin my foundation, and that would just create more work for me. I'd either have to go in again with foundation or use a makeup wipe, so I try to avoid that by using this continuous setting mist, which will make sure that the product goes exactly where I apply it. Oh, hey, we're out of focus. Give it a minute. Now we back. After applying that shimmery shade, I wanted to deepen the crease again, so I'm going back in with that dark brown purple shade, and I'm gonna reapply that to the outer crease of the eye. I decided to pick up the flat shader brush again, spray it with the mist, and then go back in with the shimmery shade. This time I'm going to focus it on the inner part of the eye in order to make me look a little bit more awake. I started to add this to the inner corner of the eye. Later on in the video I add it with a different brush. I'm taking a more neutral shimmer shade and I'm going to add that to the center of the lid. I decided to pick up my dense blending brush and blend the outer crease and work my way in. Now I'm going in with a flat definer brush. This one is from Morphe, it's the JH43, and I'm going to pick up the brown, which has orange and yellow tones, and I'm going to pack that on the outer lower lid. As there is less product on the brush, I'll begin to work it on the inner part of the lash line. Now I'm going in with a pencil brush. This one is the Sigma E30, and I'm going to pick a darker brown shade, and I'm going to work that on the outer portion of the lower lash line. Now I'm going in with a very small, precise eye brush. This one is from Morphe, it's the JH42. I'm going to pick up that lightest shimmer shade, and I'm going to put that underneath the eyebrow. I'm going to use that same brush to put this shade right in the inner corner of the eye. Now for mascara, I'm going in with the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and I'm going to work that from the base of the eyelashes outward. There's something about putting on mascara that brings so much positive attention to your eyes. I feel like I can do anything when I have mascara on. I don't know if you guys feel the same. It could also be that I'm so good at mascara because I've never tried to apply false lashes, so I just rely on putting on layers of mascara whenever I want to be dramatic. Let me know what you guys enjoy most about makeup. Is it when you have a powerful lip on, or when you have good eye makeup, or when your contour or highlight is looking on fleek? I want to hear what your favorite part is. I'm going to contour my face with the ColourPop pressed powder in the shade Private Party, and I'm taking a fluffy brush, and then I'm squeezing the bristles together to make a precise line, and then I blend upward. I also bring this shade on the temples of the forehead and sometimes on the jawbone. This just warms up the face. Then I'm using the Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush, and I'm applying the ColourPop blush in the shade I Need Space to the apples of the cheeks and a little bit on the nose. To finish off this look, I'm taking the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Champagne Mommy, and I'm going to apply that all over my lips. This is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching.